So good to see all of you. It's a beautiful day here in New Jersey, and I thought I would pop on because I have something that I bought with my own money, and I was intrigued by it, and I wanted to give it a try and see if it worked. So we're going to do that together today. But before I go there, if you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you, and if you're not a subscriber, smash that subscribe and the little bell, and this way you won't miss a future video I have coming up. And if you're not new here and you're a faithful subscriber of mine, thanks for coming back. So I'm in New Jersey, and what a beautiful day it is today. Have you been in the stores? Oh my gosh, half the stores are full of Halloween and fall decor, and the other half is Christmas. I think that's a little much. I mean, today's only September 1st. They already have the Christmas trees out. I just got back from vacation. It's crazy. But anyway, enough of that. It is beautiful today. The lighting's good. And I'm in the mood for something yummy for lunch. So I thought, why not try out this new product and make my lunch at the same time? So what do you say we get started? Well, I'm on social media a lot. You know, obviously I have my YouTube channel, The Baking Diva, but I like to go on TikTok and just peruse around and see what's on there. I don't put anything on TikTok. I don't know, maybe someday I will, but right now YouTube keeps me busy enough. And I saw a product advertised all over the place on TikTok, and it looked so super easy. And I said, I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to try it. So this is not a sponsored video. And I don't know about you, but I like chicken salad. I love chicken salad. My son loves chicken salad. He lives here. So I make a bowl of chicken salad, and we enjoy it. And I usually buy the rotisserie chickens. Now, if you have a Costco near you, you can get a humongous cooked roasted chicken in Costco for $5.99. I mean, unbelievable. They can't put them out and sell them fast enough. And I talked to somebody one time in the department. They don't make money on those chickens, but obviously that's a way to get people into the store, and they know they're going to buy other items. So I happened to be up in the Stop and Shop by me, and I had to laugh. Let me bring this roasted chicken over to show you. This thing costs $7.99. Can you see it? It's a midget. It could be the Costco chicken's baby. It's so ridiculous. And I wasn't going to buy it, but I wanted to try out this product for you today. And I thought, I don't want to cook chicken right now and all. I'll just pick it up. But I have to admit, they should be ashamed of themselves selling chickens for that price, this small. Shame on you, Stop and Shop. But anyway, I'll move that over to the side. So what I wanted to show you is, and if you do go on TikTok, and I'm sure they have it other places too, but it's all over TikTok, people demonstrating it. It's called a chicken shredder. And it says you can use it for other meats also. So I'm sure you can use it, you know, for pork. I mean, maybe chicken tacos or pork tacos, chicken salad. Whatever you want to shred. And it says on it basically it's suitable for a variety of meats. I'll turn it over. It says it's food grade, ABS material, heat resistant, PBA free, and it's dishwasher safe. So if it works anything like what I saw them working, I'll be a happy person. If not, well, shoot, out it goes. And I'm giving it my honest review. So I took it out of the box. So let me show you what it looks like. First of all, they give you inside, there's not a lot of instructions. It's just how to use. And it tells you first install the rotating handles. Well, I did that already. So I'll take out, you only get a couple of pieces. You get the bottom that looks like this, and I guess this is called the meat grinder. It's black. It's like a plastic material, or as they would say, whatever, PBA-free, whatever, material. So that's the bottom. And then you get the top, which is clear with these little prongs. Now, what you see in here, these are rotating handles. They came separately in the box, and you had to put one in each one of these holes. And they're supposed to move and be rotating like this. And this is all there is to it. Now, I think I paid on TikTok, and you know, TikTok's prices always change because sometimes they have specials, sometimes they have people on live demonstrating them, you know, and they have, like, I don't know, bargains, but I paid $8.99 for it, and I don't think I paid shipping. Now, it says regularly $30. I don't know. I don't think I would pay $30 for this, but $8.99 was fine. I've seen them on there for less than $8.99. And all it tells you is you install the rotating handles that came in the box. You hold with both hands. So you're going to put this on top of this, just like this. It says it has a non-skid bottom. So it's just rubber or whatever, like around here. You put it down. I guess you put your pieces of chicken inside there, and then you rotate this back and forth from side to side. It says hold with both hands and rotate from side to side, and it's supposed to shred your meat. And then you open it up, and there's your ground meat. So what do you say we start it? We're not going to get a lot of meat out of this because we have our midget chicken, but whatever. So I did wash my hands. I was debating whether I wanted to put gloves on for this or not, because, you know, if I want to pull the meat off it and all, I don't want my hands, even though they're clean, to be all greasy. So I'm going to put gloves on for this one. I don't usually do that, do I? For those that watch me. All right. So all I'm making today is a basic little chicken salad for lunch. But what we're demonstrating is the meat grinder. So I guess what I'm going to start doing is, well, let me just cut off the legs. Cut them and pull them aside. I'm not going to use the skin. I'm going to use the breast meat. So as you can see, I just took it out of the refrigerator so it's cold. You can see that nice breast meat, right? So you should rinse out, you know, your product before you use it. And since there's no specific instructions, I'm just going to take my meat, pieces of my meat, and throw it in here. So I'll get off all my breast meat first, because we basically just want to see if this works. And I have to say, I do love chicken salad. I don't make it fancy. I just put mayonnaise in it, salt and pepper, and celery. I'm sure there's a lot of other ways you can make it, but that's how I make it, and I'm happy with it. So I'm just going to throw some of this chicken on here, these slices, and see how it works. I guess if you're not a big eater, this chicken is probably enough for 2 people. I don't know. If you only happen to like breast meat, well, maybe still 2 people. If somebody likes the legs, I'm not really a leg person. I don't know. Maybe you get 3 out of it, but it's small. I'm just too lazy sometimes to drive over to Costco. It's about 5 miles away, and sometimes I just don't feel like going over there, but it's definitely worth it. So let me take some meat off the other side. And I'm going to see if this works the way they said it does. Now, they don't say the meat has to be warm or anything. I'm just throwing it in here. And then I'm going to turn it like they say. And I have it on this slippery placemat. Maybe I should have put it on something fabric. I don't know. It's not supposed to, what do you call it? Slide. Let me do another piece. Okay, move that over. All right, so, and you can do your own, you don't have to buy a rotisserie chicken. Cook your own chicken breast or whatever, and whatever. You can boil it and put it in here. So, I think I'm going to move my placemat. Let me just see. Oh yeah, I think it stays better like that. So here we go. Are you ready? We put this on top. Doesn't take a rocket scientist. Now we're going to see if this really works the way they say. I'm supposed to put my hands on these rotating knobs and just twist them back and forth. Well, I gotta say it works. I'm in shock. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Hardly any effort to move it. And I have some arthritis in my hands too. Let me pick it up. I'm sold. Look at that. What did it take me? 10 seconds? It's better than pulling all that meat off and cutting it and whatever. This would work great for pulled pork or pulled pork tacos or chicken tacos. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna say I give this definitely, with my gloves, 2 thumbs up. It works exactly like they said it would when I watched the demonstration. And this is also dishwasher safe. So how could you go wrong? So I'm going to get a bowl. I have my Hellmann's mayonnaise, which is the only one I use. I have some chopped up celery. I have my salt and pepper over there. And I'm going to make, well, I'll take the rest of the chicken off here, off camera. And I am going to make myself a little chicken salad. So I'm not going to make the chicken salad for you today. You all know how to make chicken salad, I'm sure. But let me tell you, this is amazing. I mean, exactly what they said. Plop this on, and then just turn it. And it grinds up your meat. So, okay, what's the company that makes this? Does it say? Let me see. It says multiple application scenario, chicken shredder. It's 9 8/4 inches. Let's see what else it might say. It says here, strong anti-slip strip on the bottom, which it has. Ergonomic handle, and it says the results can be clearly viewed through this clear top when you're shredding it. So I guess you can shred it as much or as little as you want. And anything else that I think you need to know? It says it's strong and not easy to break. And I'm looking to see if there's a company on the box that makes it. Let me see if it's over here, on here. I don't see it. That's strange. Maybe this is the company, XHH. Okay, so I guess this is my final conclusion and my honest review. I give this on, let's say, 0 to 10, I give it a 10. I give it 2 thumbs up. I thought it worked fantastic. And I used a rotisserie chicken. You can just take your whole chicken breast, boneless breast, and place it on there. You don't have to pick it off. It's just I didn't want to use the skin. But it worked beautifully, just as I saw it demonstrated by many people on TikTok with no effort at all. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I've just been wanting to try it. I got it, I think, a couple of weeks ago, and it's been sitting there. I was waiting to go do my food shopping and pick up a chicken. I did mix it up with some celery and mayonnaise and salt and pepper. Nothing fancy. And, you know, I always do a taste testing, so let me do a little taste testing of my chicken salad. I love it. Do you put celery in your chicken salad? I like celery in mine. I like that little crunch. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you know, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me, it really does. And not sure what I have coming up next, but I'm sure it will be fall related. So anyway, love you all, appreciate you. Thanks for watching my review. And just remember, it's my honest review. It's not sponsored. I paid for it myself. And I still give it 2 thumbs up. So have a good week and enjoy this nice fall weather that we're starting to get. And I will see you all again very soon. Toodles! Gonna get a dish and some bread and make myself a chicken salad sandwich.